How to log in to housing account. So if you want to log into your housing account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for housing. And once you search that, here on the first search you will have housinglogin.com. Here on the first search you will have login under housing. So you can simply click on the first search, and here it will take you to the login page. So now to log into your account, first you need to enter your username or your application number. Enter that. Here you need to enter your surname, and once you enter your surname, now here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for a reset password so that you can reset it or recover it. And once you reset your password, and then you can again go to the login page, and now you need to enter your password. And once you enter that, you can click on login, and once you click on login, if your credentials are correct, like your username, surname, and your password, if they are correct, then it will log you into your housing account. So that's it. That's how you log into your housing account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.